Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to see a small revision for chapter number 2. Okay, are you ready for today's session, children? Yes, here we go. So, the title of this chapter is How My Body Works. How My Body Works. In this chapter, we are going to see how our body works, our body parts works. Okay, first we will go through the new words in this chapter. First one, body. B-O-D-Y. Body. I'll repeat the spelling. B-O-D-Y. Body. Second one, eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. I'll repeat the spelling, children. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Third one, ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Now tell me, children, how many eyes we are having? Yes, 2 eyes we are having, isn't it? 1 and 2. 2 eyes we are having. And now tell me, how many ears we are having? Yes, very good. 1, 2. We are having 2 ears. Next one, hear. Hear means we are listening to some music or some sound, right? What is that? Hear. H-E-A-R. Hear. I repeat the spelling. H-E-A-R. Hear. H-E-A-R. Hear. Fifth one is taste. I repeat the word taste. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Sixth one, tongue. Show me a tongue, children. Where's your tongue? Yes. What is this? This is tongue, isn't it? So, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. I repeat the spelling. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Next page. Smell. When we smell something, some sweet or something flavor means we will smell through our nose, right? So what is this? Seventh one is smell. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Eighth one, nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Show me a pretty and shining nose, children. Where is your nose? Yes, what is this? Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Ninth word, feel. F-E-E-L. Feel. I repeat the word again. F-E-E-L. Feel. Next page. Skin. 10th word is skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Where is your skin? just show and touch me. Yes. What is this? Yes, this is skin. 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 11th one, sense. 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 I repeat the word. SENSE. Sense. 12th one, organs. 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 13th word is different. 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 I repeat the word again. Different. 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 Next word, work. 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 Next one, inside. 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 Next page. 16th word, brain. 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 Next one, lungs. How many lungs we are having? Yes, very good. Correct answer is 2. We are having 2 lungs. 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 Next one, heart. 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 I repeat the word, children. HEART. Heart. Next one is stomach. 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 Next one, last one is digestion. I repeat the word, children. Digestion. 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 I repeat the spelling, children. DIGESTION. Digestion. So in this chapter we are having 20 new words. You just go through it and try to read the words. Okay, shall we go to the next one? Yes. Answer the questions. Answer the questions. Here we will have some simple questions regarding this chapter. Okay, shall we go? Okay, ma. So first question, what do we do with our eyes. Okay, now tell me children, how we see things, how we can see things through our eyes only, isn't it? So we see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Our eyes. So now tell me children, how many eyes we are having? We are having 2 eyes. So how do you see? Yes, we see with our eyes. My next question is, what do we do with our ears? I repeat the question. What do we do with our ears? And your answer is, we hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. We can listen any music or we can hear any sound through our ears. So we hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. Next question. What do we do with our nose? I repeat the question. What do we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. Again, I am telling the answer children. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. And my fourth question is, what do we do with our tongue? I repeat the question. What do we do with our tongue? The answer is, we taste with our tongue. If you eat chocolate, you'll feel tasty, right? Mama, please bring me one more chocolate. It is very tasty. You will tell your mom. You will tell like that your mom, right? Like that, you can taste any flavor with your tongue. So we taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Here we are having fifth question. What do we do with our skin? I repeat the question one more time. What do we do with our skin? And your answer is, we feel with our skin. If your friend pinch you like this, you can feel the pain. Oh, it's paining, you will tell like that, isn't it? So we feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. Next question. What are internal organs? What are internal organs? And your answer is, the organs which found inside the body is called internal organs. The organs which found inside the body is called internal organs. I repeat the answer one more time for you. The organs which found inside the body is called internal organs. My next question is, name the internal organs. Name the internal organs. Number 1, brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Third one, heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. And last one is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. So name the internal organs and your answer is brain, lungs, heart and stomach. We are having 4 internal organs here. Now we are going to next exercise, that is match the following with the body parts. First one, stomach. Stomach helps us to digest food, isn't it? So the answer is digest food. I have put one arrow mark for you. So stomach digest food. Stomach digest food. Heart. The heart pumps blood to whole part of the body. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. So heart pumps blood. Heart pumps blood. Next one, lungs. Lungs helps us breathe. Lungs helps us breathe. Next one, brain. Brain helps us to think. Brain helps us to think. So brain helps us think. Brain helps us think. I have put arrow mark for match the following. You just go through it, children. Okay. Next one, which internal helps you? Which internal helps you? So the first one is when you eat. When you eat. When you feel hungry, when your stomach digests your food, afterwards you will feel hungry, isn't it? So the answer is stomach. When you eat, and your answer is stomach. Second question, when you do your homework. I hope you all are doing your homework properly and at a time. When you do your homework, when your brain helps you to think that you should do your homework, then only you will do your homework, isn't it? So when you do your homework, the answer is brain. Brain helps you to think that you should do your homework now, then only you will finish your homework, isn't it? So brain helps you to finish your homework. Next one, when you breathe. When you breathe. Lungs. With the help of lungs, we can breathe. So your answer is lungs. Your answer is lungs. Next one, replace the word in color with the correct word. Replace the word in color with the correct word. So you can see some one word in one sentence. You can see only one word is in red color, isn't it? That is the wrong one. You have to find out what is the correct one. So first one is, my stomach helps me to think. Is stomach is help you to think? No. Your brain helps you to think, isn't it? So the correct answer is brain. Next one, my brain helps me to digest food. My brain helps me to digest food. Is it? Your brain helps you to digest food? No, na. Your stomach helps you to digest food. Your helps you to digest food. The correct answer is stomach. The next one, my lungs pump blood to the whole body. My lungs pump blood to the whole body. Is your lungs helps you to pump blood to the whole body? No, isn't it? The correct answer is heart. The correct answer is heart. The next one. My heart helps me to breathe. My heart helps me to breathe. And the correct answer is lungs. The correct answer is lungs. Lungs helps you to breathe. Lungs helps you to breathe. So the correct answer is lungs. So I hope you have enjoyed today's session. You just go through the lesson with the question answers, new words, match the following and replace the correct word. Okay children, we will see in the next class with the next chapter revision. Till then, be safe, stay home and do your homework. Thank you.